The economy of Abilene's been diversified quite a bit, and the AI Data Centers is really neat.
What a cool chance to learn from the people that are building it.
That's what today's about. What can OpenAI Academy mean for you that you can then take to your life, your profession, and funnel that back into the workers and the future of our community?
There's a couple different things that we can add for guardrails.
We came to the OpenAI Academy to see what it's doing for the community. I think it's a big subject everywhere we go, so it's part of the conversation.
With OpenAI and the new opportunities there, I feel much more empowered and knowledgeable about how to start creating these GPTs that are personalized to me and my business. It's now just becoming part of our ethos.
We have a room full of people in education.
AI is going to impact any industry and sector in the world, and education is included in that.
As a district, we've really jumped into how can we use AI in a way to enhance what our teachers are already doing and to take the place of some of the more tedious work.
AI can be a thought partner with me. At my school, I've used AI to understand the landscape of our competition, what topics I need to teach in a new curriculum.
Do we have any volunteers to share what they have generated?
I work in our welding department. I need daily consumables and equipments with justifications.
That's amazing.
Our job is to make workforce-ready graduates from the moment they cross that stage. They need to have AI as a tool, not in their back pocket, but right in front of them. AI is part of the future workforce, and we want to make sure that our students are fully equipped.